guys, this is Bosslady Shruti, and can I just say that I am loving the weather. Also, I'm loving my skin nowadays. Please touch wood, because I know that, whenever the weather changes, I go through quite a lot of skin problems. I think it's a very general thing. Like, a lot of us go through, a little bit of health scare, a little bit of skin texturing and all of that. Whenever there is a weather change, and that is exactly what happened with my skin too. The heat kind of took a toll on my skin, and I was left with a ton of hyperpigmentation. And I feel like, with what I do, I tend to experiment with different products. I'm constantly under different kind of lights as well. So this can cause a lot of, dark spots and hyperpigmentation. And anyways, like, brown skin is very prone to hyperpigmentation. And like we all know, I'm a brown skin girl. So this has been a huge concern of mine for a very long time. And today, as you can see, of course, I'm wearing makeup right now, but as you can see, my skin feels juicy, my skin feels fresh. I am absolutely nailing the clean girl aesthetic right now, and I feel all of that has happened because of this one little thing that I have added, especially to my nighttime skincare routine, which is the L'Oreal Paris Glycolic Bright 1% Glycolic Acid Serum. First of all, I love the packaging of this. This is, I'm kind of matchy. Ooh. And I absolutely am in love with this serum. I feel that it has helped me so much with dark spots and hyperpigmentation. To give you a little sort of backstory, glycolic acid was introduced to me by my Dermat, because whenever I would go to my dermatologist, she would always recommend to get like a glycolic peel or something of that sort for targeting hyperpigmentation, because that was always my concern. I would be like, arey yaar, acne marks, now what do I do? So I feel like that was the first time that I heard about glycolic acid and how good it is. And I have done and whenever I would go to her, I have always, gotten a couple of glycolic peels, and it has given me amazing results. So when I saw that L'Oreal had introduced a glycolic acid serum, I was very drawn to trying it out, because I already knew how good glycolic acid is. Also, something that I learned recently is, so I had already seen why, glycolic acid is so good for the skin. But something that I didn't know, that I discovered recently, is that the reason why this serum is such a game changer is because it actually has two really powerful molecules in it, because it belongs to the family of molecules called as alpha hydroxy acid, and is the smallest and lightest molecule in the family, just like the younger sibling in any Indian family. It actually works in two levels. It penetrates deep into your skin to remove any melanin buildup cell by cell, thus, helping you to reduce dark spots. And it also helps on the surface level by exfoliating dead skin cells and anything of that sort, revealing brighter, beautiful skin. When L'Oreal Paris launches a glycolic acid serum, Shruti goes and gets it, because they are the world's most trusted skincare brand, and I definitely put my trust in them. Since I already knew the benefits of glycolic acid, I absolutely was very, very thrilled and excited to try out this new serum when it touched the market. And when it comes to skincare, using serums are a game changer. It is going to give you the most effective results for your targeted concerns. So this is definitely something that I would recommend that you add in your skincare regime too. The Glycolic Bright Serum has 1% glycolic acid, and The way that I like to use it is actually in my nighttime skincare routine. I like using, after I'm done with washing my face and using a light toner, I like going in with this serum all over my face. You can see that this has a very, very lightweight texture, gets absorbed into my skin very, very easily, which is very, very important to me if you ask me, because I am an acne prone, oily skin girl. So I don't like serums which take a million years to get absorbed into your skin. So this is an absolute plus. So if you're also my skin type, this is definitely a big, big plus point for oily skin girls. And I have genuinely seen quite a lot of improvement in just 2 weeks of using this. In fact, even in the second week itself, I saw that my dark spots were reducing, and I usually have a lot of hyperpigmentation around my mouth area. So that was my biggest concern, and that saw quite a lot of change, which I'm so happy about. Honestly, that is something that I was very excited about, because I tend to use quite a lot of concealer and stuff just to make my mouth area look not as, dark compared to the rest of my face, and this has helped mama a lot when it comes to hyperpigmentation. So I have seen a huge change in my skincare. The great part about L'Oreal Paris skincare products is that they are quite affordable. This serum starts at $3.99 only, which I think is a great price point for such an effective skincare product. I will leave a link to it in the description box. Definitely check it out. I know this is a sponsored video, but I have used it for quite a long time, and I can definitely tell you that this thing works. Like, this definitely works, and I am so happy that I discovered this, because now I feel like I don't have to spend as much when I go to the Dermat to get like glycolic peels. I still go to my Dermat, but I'll get other treatments done. Yeah, I think that is it for today. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any other products that you would like me to try. I am on an absolute skincare binge. I would love to try out new skincare products. So definitely let me know, and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time makes a video. And like I always say, keep it bossy.